Okay, so Huawei just dropped something that genuinely made me stop and say, wait, are they actually back? Like fully back? Because the Pura 90 series just landed and I have been spending serious time with all four of these phones, and honestly, I did not expect to be this impressed. We are talking the Pura 90 base, the Pura 90 Pro, the Pura 90 Pro Max, and that wild foldable, the Pura X Max. For phones, one video, zero fluff. Let's get into it. If you are new here and you love honest hands-on tech reviews just like this one, hit that subscribe button right now and smash the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and I put out videos like this every single week, so you do not want to miss what is coming next. So let me start with the base Pura 90, because honestly this is the phone most people are going to buy, and Huawei did not phone it in here, no pun intended. The build quality straight out of the box feels premium. Like this is not a budget compromised device at all. You pick it up and it feels solid, the display is sharp and bright, and the camera system on this thing is already punching above what you would expect at this price point. Huawei has been doing something really interesting with their Leica-tuned cameras, and even the base model gets that treatment. Colors pop, dynamic range is solid, and low light performance is genuinely better than a lot of phones sitting at a higher price. The processor is snappy, everyday tasks feel fluid, and the battery life surprised me because I kept forgetting to charge it, which is always the best sign. For anyone who wants that full Huawei experience without going all the way flagship, the base Pura 90 is a seriously compelling option. Now stepping up to the Pura 90 Pro, and this is where things start getting really exciting. Huawei has gone bigger on the camera hardware here, and you feel it immediately. The zoom capabilities on the Pro are legitimately impressive. I was testing shots at distance, and the level of detail retention is the kind of thing that makes you show your phone to random people around you just to see their reaction. The display gets a bump too, smoother refresh rate, better peak brightness, and the colors just look richer. Under the hood, the performance feels even more dialed in, and multitasking is effortless. I threw everything at this phone. Games, video editing apps, jumping between a dozen tabs, and it just handled it without breaking a sweat. The Pura 90 Pro is the sweet spot of this lineup, in my opinion. It gives you that proper flagship camera experience, premium design, great display, and battery that goes the distance. This is the one I would tell most people to get if they are choosing between the four. Hey, real quick, if you are finding this breakdown helpful, drop a like on this video right now. Takes 2 seconds and it tells me you want more content like this. I appreciate every single one of you watching. Alright, so the Pura 90 Pro Max. This is Huawei going all out, no compromises, biggest battery, largest display, and a camera system that honestly needs its own dedicated video. The periscope zoom on this thing is extraordinary. I am talking detail at extreme distances that makes you question whether you even need a dedicated camera anymore. The screen real estate on the Pro Max is gorgeous for content consumption. Watching videos on this display is an experience. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness gets high enough that outdoor visibility is not an issue at all. The build feels incredibly premium in hand, though I will say it is a large phone. This is not a one-handed device, and if you have smaller hands you will feel that. But if you want the absolute best Huawei has to offer in a traditional slab form factor, the Pro Max is it. It is a statement device, and it delivers on that statement. And then there is the Pura X Max Foldable. I saved this one for last because it deserves its own moment. Huawei has been refining their foldable technology for a while now, and it shows. The hinge mechanism feels tight and premium with no wobble. No gap when closed, just a clean fold. Opened up you get this gorgeous expansive display that is perfect for multitasking. Running apps side by side, sketching, reading, watching content, all of it feels natural on that bigger canvas. Folded up it slips into your pocket like a regular phone, which is the part that still amazes me every time. Foldables used to feel like compromises, but the Pura X Max genuinely feels like the future is already here. Camera performance carries over that like a goodness, and the battery management on this device, considering how much screen it is powering, is impressive. If you have been curious about foldables but have been waiting for one that feels truly refined and ready for daily use, this is worth your serious attention. So looking at the whole Pura 90 lineup together, Huawei has made a serious statement here. They are not just competing, they are genuinely pushing the conversation forward on camera tech, display quality, and build craftsmanship. Every single one of these four phones has a clear identity and a clear audience, and that is smart product strategy. If you made it to the end of this video, you are a real one and I appreciate you. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and leave a like on this video. I have got a lot more deep dives coming on these phones individually, so you definitely want to be subscribed for those. Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these 4 you would pick, because I genuinely want to know. See you in the next one.